Ooh, this ornament looks beautiful. Ooh, smells good too. Is it edible?
Greetings everyone and happy holidays! In today's Christmas special video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make Melopan. And after many rough sketches, I decided to make a Christmas ornament version. And if you want to see the rest of my sketches, then please stay until the end of the video.
Voila, the new stand mixer.
Add in 6 tablespoons of soft unsalted butter plus 1/2 cup of sugar. Let it mix. And now slowly add in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And now add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. As that's mixing, you want to add in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once it is all combined, you want to divide it into 4 even pieces. And now you can choose your colors to dye each one of them. The colors look so bright! Cover it and fridge it for 30 minutes at least. 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. And now add in 1 1/2 teaspoon of instant yeast and mix it on a low, and while you're doing that, add in 3/4 cups of lukewarm water. Afterwards, you want to change it into a dough hook and you want to knead on medium. Now add in softened butter, one by one. When you try to stretch it out, it should not rip.
So what you're looking for is like it's slightly sticky but it doesn't stick onto your hand.
Now cover it and let it rise in an oiled bowl for an hour or at least until it's doubled. Meanwhile, while the dough is rising, you want to take out 4 dyed logs, and now you want to roll each one out to relatively the same length.
I like the yellow color the most.
And now the fun part, you want to roll and form the ultimate log. I do wonder if this technique is similar to how candy canes are made, especially with the twisting method. Alright, now that it's all incorporated, you want to put it back in the fridge for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to work with the dough, measure out how much the dough weighs, and now separate it into 12 mini dough balls. Ideally, you want to even them out, so in our case, we would measure out 48 grams for each dough ball. Now you want to smooth out the dough balls. So first, you want to stretch it out and fold the outer dough inwards and make a seal at the top. And then you want to cup your hand and roll the dough on the table until it looks smooth, just like this. Now that it's all done, you want to take out the coating and cut it into 12 pieces. With each piece, you want to flatten out the spiral log, and you want to roll it out for about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. And now take out a dough ball and place it on top. And then you want to encase the coating on top of the ball. And now invert it and set it aside. Alright, so I'm not the best scorer, but we're going to attempt to score and see how it'll turn out. Now we're adding in the top part for the ornament to hang. What do you guys think about my scoring technique? And now we're just playing with decorations and adding a lot of sparkles. Ta-da! Look at our beautiful creation. Time to bake them.
Yay! We will see them in 15 minutes. They looked nice prior.
Well, unfortunately the scoring didn't out well. Kinda wanted it to look a little bit deeper and more raised, but we didn't score it deep enough. But look at that crackle. Barely touched it and it cracked so easily. Wow. So smooth. At least Trisket loved it so much that she came back for a second time. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great holiday. Bye!